Still got your pictures on my phone. Wonder why you thought you had to go. Left me all alone and on my own. Felt it coming this whole time, I should've known. But why'd you have to leave me all alone? You know how you make me feel when you went home. My God, it's killing me inside, I hope you know. Been dead in my heart for a while, though it hurts, won't let it show. No time for farewells or no chances for goodbyes. You disappeared forever and you left me high and dry. How you gonna leave and leave me out or left to die? You fed me to the wolves when I needed you by my side. I don't wanna say nothing that's bad about you. I still love you, girl, I'm still mad about you. There was once a time when I would never doubt you, but people changing now, I have to live without you. You could have just said goodbye. You ghosted me, moved on with life. Anxiety and all this strife. I no wonder all the time if you just found a new guy. I just wanna make you proud, yeah, like I used to when you vowed, yeah, to never leave my side when I was down, yeah. You let me sink and now I'm about to drown, yeah. I just wanna make you proud, yeah, like I used to when you vowed, yeah, to never leave my side when I was down, yeah. You let me sink and now I'm about to drown, yeah. You let me sink and now I'm about to drown, yeah. I can still see your face, I can still hear your voice. And I don't even wanna, but I don't have any choice. I try to block it out and listen to the city noise. You kill me from inside and now I'm completely destroyed. But the worst part is I don't know where you are, how you are, where'd you go? You didn't say nothing, you just let me go. Left me with my thoughts, left me all alone. I don't wanna see your face anymore. I don't wanna hear your voice anymore. I don't wanna think about you anymore. I don't hate you, I just can't bear it no more. Your hair, your smile, your fingertips, your face, your voice, your mouth, your lips, your warmth, your laugh, your legs, your thighs, your love, your hate, your care, your eyes.
You just mean so much to me. And the things you've done, I can't even imagine how to thank you or give back to you. You're like the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I'm always going to be here for you.